Welcome to the new vlog. So Budweiser India has launched this really cute game. It's called Conquer 2020. Link in description. If you're among the highest scorers of the game, there are crazy prizes for you. Like the top 3 players get their dream experience fulfilled until 2 lakhs. The dream experience could be anything, like going to Tomorrowland or watching a Manchester United game. The next 7 top players get an Xbox Series 7. And after that, 15 more top players get exciting Budweiser streetwear merchandise. So today, Naveed, Akash, Shankar, Revant are all going to play the game. And one of them is going to win. Now I know they're not going to get one of the highest scores ever made. But they still get prizes. And one of them is going to win this. There are over 100 beer bottles on my balcony. The winner, of course, gets all of these. But the challenge doesn't end there. The winner has an opportunity to also make some cash. For every beer bottle that the winner can hold on their body for up to 1 minute, they get 1,000 bucks per bottle. Are we ready to start? Rules are very simple. All of you will get one turn at the game, and the one with the highest score gets to try for the cash prize, alright? Done?
Party to earn money. I hate this phase of capitalism. It's not going in.
Ready? One.
I started.
It's already at 400.
Underestimated. I think I won already.
How is he? He's not dying only, dude.
Yeah, he's not lost one health. He's been secretly.
Yeah, he's practicing on the table.
You just got slapped.
And then he stepped on Kachra also. So now he's got just 2 health bars. You need 3 sanitizers to kill the bot. And now the bot will kill him.
How are you so sure? You know the game?
Yeah. We both are practicing.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, I'm dying, of course.
No, you can kill it.
No, you can't.
You can't.
How much is it?
28.
28,052.
For a person who has practiced, this is way too less.
I have not practiced at all.
Fuck off.
Don't lie. Raghav just told us you practiced.
He made me practice it so that I can do this.
2,805 is the score to beat.
It's going to be very difficult for him.
If he has practiced, I'm sure he'll get it.
Devon looks sad. He's already at 550.
I'm just so happy I can't hear any of you.
No!
I'm trying to shoot. If he cheated, then maybe you can also cheat. Yeah! No! You're being very loud. I don't think he can hear us. This is Raghav like, yeah, guys, I can hear. Yeah! He's officially gone past you.
Now you know who really practiced.
Chat.
Wait. Ah! Oh my god, he got scared. Plan failed dramatically. And he's dead with a score of 4,515. That's a pretty good total. Raghav is in the lead. To be fair, you practice, so it's not fair.
I like that this is very loud, so I don't have to hear.
Because he has to jump over utensils and.
Knowing Naveed, he will want to start cleaning them.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
He's already losing. Oh, he's out of sanitizers already.
नवीद
हाँ
चैट को खाना देना यार
अरे बाढ़ में गया चैट मैं गिर रहा हूँ
क्या
गन नहीं चल रहा मेरा
दोनों हाथ से बता क्या
गन कहाँ से मिलेगा
Oh, now you can hear us?
And 2,345.
शंकर
All the best.
जैसे गाड़ी चला रहे वैसे ही
शंकर को थप्पड़ लग चुके हैं सबसे पहला. Are you worried about Shankar beating your score?
He plays PUBG and all. I've never played any game with a gun.
जंप
Try and distract Shankar.
शुगर फ्री कहाँ रखा है
राघव शुगर फ्री दे दो
Call Shankar's phone. Go phone.
I have a feel Ravens will win. His focus is really great.
Why can't your focus be also good? सब कुछ 2 दिन लेट क्यों मिल रहा है? Everyone is grooving to the music.
That's the first way to win.
If you want to win, you should probably distract Revant. He doesn't care anymore. Revant doesn't care anymore. Oh my god.
Raven, Christopher Nolan is at the door. He wants to suck your.
Oh! This is the first time someone's so sad. Oh my god, my friend is healthy. Slapped by a plant.
How was a plant villain
Raven got 3,205, which means Raghav is the winner. Alright, guys, chat is going next in the channel. Chat, are you ready? How many points will you get? All right, extreme confidence in the face of cluelessness. Good boy. All right, so Raghav is going to be standing inside this beer square, and you have to pick up as many beer bottles as possible and hold it for 1 minute. For every beer bottle, you get $1,000. All right, how many do you think you will get?
12,
How many do you think you'll be happy with?
20, 5, 100.
Yeah, if it falls, you've lost everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
this I didn't know.
Yeah, just go for the least.
Are you sure you want to wear this? You don't want a t-shirt with a pocket?
Can I?
You want to exchange t-shirt with Shankar? You have to pay half the money.
Are you finding jackets with more pockets in it? Naveen, look at this. Look at what he's wearing.
Cargo pants.
Oh my god. It's humanly impossible to have more pockets on a person.
How many pockets do you want?
Yes. First of all, why do you have this jacket in Mumbai?
Are you ready with the new outfit?
Yeah.
You have 1 minute to hold as many bottles as possible, and you have to hold them for at least 1 minute, alright? Alright.
30 seconds हो गया.
Take your time. Why don't you zip it? Then put a little sellotape on it.
It's not going in.
It's not going into the pockets. Yeah, 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. What are you doing?
Try some other way to get all the bottles together like this.
Just hold as many as you can. Are you stupid? It's a rhetorical question. Don't answer that, please.
कौन सा ठंडा है वो देख रहे हो क्या?
Can people help?
No, people can't help. You're not allowed to help. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it for a minute. Now you have to hold it for a minute.
Don't fall.
3, 2, 1. All right. You can keep them on the floor now. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15. All right, that makes it $15,000, Raghav. Congratulations! As the proud owner of these 100 beers, are we all allowed to partake in some of it?
Yes, sir. I'm all for socialism. Guys, I just have to tell you that Budweiser is like the premium king of beers, right? I don't think you'll find a finer beer anywhere on this continent. Cheers to myself.
They're not sending you the money.
Oh.
Chat. Go. Go. Yeah, I could have easily fit like 4 more. Why didn't you do?
I really hate how greed works, man.
क्या करने वाला है 16,000 रुपए के साथ?
I'm going to invest in Bitcoin because I've been watching Clueless.
Guys, check out my second channel. Is what Raghav was trying to say. सर बियर उतना ज़्यादा पकड़ा नहीं ना?
नहीं,
आप होता तो आप कितना बियर बॉटल लेता?
मैं तो बैग लेके आया था. मैं रेडी था, बस मेरा चांस मिले.
To drown all your sorrows, may I recommend Budweiser beer?
All right, now for the best part of everything. We have to clear this up. Rags. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. If you enjoyed that, then make sure you hit like and subscribe right now. You can slide into my DMs here and make sure you check out Conquer 2020 because they have some crazy prizes. Thank you so much for watching.
Santa